What's up, guys, and welcome back to our channel. And today we are having pork ribs. Hey, hey. All right, so what we have is pork ribs. We baked in the oven. We also got some Uncle Ben's rice underneath it with the package. Put it in the microwave for like a minute and a half. Easy meal. We got some mac and cheese from the box with no milk.
Everything in our
With no
pantry.
milk. We are quarantined, so I'm trying to stay quarantined, whatever. But yeah, it's whatever we have in our pantry. And then also we have some potatoes, roasted potatoes,
Yeah,
roasted potatoes that we roasted in the air dryer, air dryer, air dryer, air fryer. Yeah.
We washed the potatoes in the clothes washer.
We washed the potatoes in the washer where you wash your clothes, and then we air dried it in the dryer. We got two special guests here, live.
One's
Yeah.
trying to sleep though,
Yeah.
but you want some? Amanda's like, I want some.
So this is oven baked. She seasoned it. This is her dry rub. Not sure how it tastes yet, but she says it's kind of salty because she tried it out earlier.
Yeah, it's pretty salty. Oops.
Ooh.
It's dry.
Yeah, because you put it in the air dryer. It's good. It is kind of salty though, but it's good.
Mm-hmm. I accidentally put too much cayenne.
Really? Oh,
Because I was trying to pour it out and then it all came out.
The heat is good though.
This rice is good.
What kind of rice is it?
I don't know.
Like long grain or something?
Yeah. Long green and wild rice with some herbs.
Mm.
Oh, good. I like this rice.
Amanda, if you were here, we will give you a plate. But
Okay. We're quarantined ourselves, so it's okay.
how long you off from work?
12 weeks.
12 weeks. I feel so Americanized right now. You got some mac and cheese.
Oh, sorry, I dropped you.
You got some mac and cheese. You got some taters. You got some taters.
Well, you're actually eating mac and cheese. Oh, because there's no milk in it, right?
Well, the cheese is it's okay, but the milk. Ooh.
Mmm.
When the quarantine over, we should try Little Miss Barbecue.
I want to, but it's always so packed.
Yeah,
Little Miss Barbecue.
You gotta go early.
we have work. On Saturday. They open Saturday.
Who knows when the quarantine's gonna even be over, though?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at her roll her eyes.
She's like, I don't think
She
so.
said, "Don't say that guy's name."
I do want to try Little Miss Barbecue, though.
Yeah, me too. I drive by every day. I smell it. It's so good. But the line is so long. You gotta set a day. So you'll order it. I mean, I'll get off early, then I'll go order it. You know what I mean? Since I'm right there.
When there's a day off.
Hmm?
When we have a day off.
Yeah. The rib is good though. It's not
like
that
it?
salty.
Oh, maybe some parts.
Mm-hmm.
And the part I had was super salty.
Maybe you got the salty part. Ooh. Man, you hear about the doctor that got tested positive at the children's hospital?
Here?
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, Phoenix Hospital.
Really?
Children's Hospital. He got tested positive. That's scary.
What? How did he get it?
I don't know.
That's scary.
Mm-hmm.
Did they let you work from home yet, Amanda?
Yeah. Actually, before I gave birth, I only worked 1 day. And then I gave birth.
Oh, your first day working at home?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I worked one whole day. And then the next day, I was like, yeah, I don't know.
Wait, did you just go to the hospital or you were feeling it? Your water broke?
I went to the hospital because I was getting really close contractions, strong
Oh, okay.
contractions.
You know, some hospitals are not letting the spouse in right now.
Yeah. But luckily ours are like, yeah, we want to try to at least keep it where like the dad, at least with like the dad or the
Yeah.
whoever.
Yeah.
But you can only have that one.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That one. That's the only one that can come and go, or that's your only guest. You can't have any more.
Yeah, like other hospitals right now, they're not letting the spouse in or the dad in. It's crazy.
They were telling us they want to try to keep at least that for like the dads or for the.
You don't need to go Little Miss Barbecue. We got Little Miss. Never mind.
Little Miss what?
Nothing.
Little Miss what?
Little Miss Barbecue here.
Oh.
You farted?
No.
No. This is a good cheap meal.
Mhm.
For real.
You know what? Probably when you guys went to the grocery store, because Wednesday is restock day for the grocery stores.
Yeah.
And like they probably did, like when you guys went, it probably had a lot of stuff still, and then like people just straight up just start buying all of it.
Well, today's Wednesday, right?
Or maybe.
Yeah, today's.
Wait, when was
No,
it that?
I went Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
But we went on a Saturday too, right? Did
we?
we? Yeah, we did.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't think we looked at all the aisles
stuff?
though. So I don't know.
When me and Sean went, we went to the frozen aisle. There wasn't much frozen foods.
It's crazy.
And the eggs, they're limited, only 2 now.
Do you guys stock up on a good amount of stuff or no?
No, Jose's probably gonna go to the store again tomorrow because I'm gonna make a list for him to see if he can get it. I'm probably have him go to the 3 different stores like Fry's, Safeway, and Sprouts. To see if they have them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You have enough toilet paper?
Yeah, we got a whole thingy. I just barely cracked into it this week.
I think Costco, they're getting back stocked up.
Yeah?
Yeah, because they're being strict about it, like more strict about it.
We're gonna need some.
Mm-hmm. I think we should go.
The middle part is a little better.
The middle?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Maybe you didn't put that much salt in the middle.
Huh?
I said maybe you didn't put that much salt in the middle.
No.
What, you mean the meat?
Mm-hmm.
Like the tenderness of it?
That's pretty good for whatever we had in the pantry.
Mm-hmm. should call this one a quarantine meal. Huh? Yeah, that'd be cool.
Basically.
Mm-hmm.
Because we had no milk.
Yeah.
We had no milk. We didn't want to go to the store to get milk. And even that, we don't really drink milk.
Mm-hmm.
So it would have just been a waste.
It's supposed to be healthy or what? No? It tastes healthy. I'm not used to rice tasting like this. I'm not used to rice tasting like this.
Well, we gotta conserve our
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying.
jasmine
I
rice.
was like it. Is it healthy?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? That's Justin Bieber song, right?
Is it?
Yeah. What do you? What do you? What? I don't know. Forgot what it's called. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell. We click on this bell. But we have ours here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.